Good morning, guys. So I got some stuff from Amazon I wanted to share with you. I actually wasn't even going to do a haul on this stuff because it wasn't that much, but I got really excited about one of the things, or well, a lot of the things that I got. But one of them was the one that made me decide to do the haul. So the first thing I got was this, just Epson Premium Presentation Paper Matte. I print a lot of ephemera from Creative Fabrica. Love that site. I am an affiliate. I have a subscription, and I'll put my link down below for you if you'd like to check it out. But they have so much vintage stuff, and it's just so cool to just be able to print out your own stuff when you need something. Yeah, it's just so cool. So let me show you some that I printed out just to see what it was like. This one here, I kind of wish I hadn't done this one because this is probably one that I would cut apart because you can cut out the little squares. Look how vibrant it is. It's crazy how like the black is just so black. And this is just one I scanned from one of my paper pads just to, try it out. But this is the 32-pound copy paper that I printed it out just to compare them. And honestly, this one looks more vintage, which is funny. This one doesn't. I think it's a little too vibrant, but it still works. I just need to figure out what to print on this and what to just print on regular paper. And I forgot to mention earlier that this is 48-pound cardstock, so it's not, it's pretty thick, not like regular copy paper. It says right there. So it is sturdy paper. So it's really nice for junk journals or like I said earlier, printing out stuff for your junk journals. You can print out ephemera, and then either fussy cut it out or you can cut it out on your Cricut if you want. That's what I do because I don't have the patience to fussy cut stuff out like that. So, but yeah, so I just wanted to let you know to help you guys out. I forgot to mention that earlier. Excuse me. I just woke up a little while ago, so I still got my morning voice. Sorry about that. And I did this one. This is obviously from the Tim Holtz paper pack. I will not be using this in something that I might possibly sell because I would like to sell some of the journals I make, but I would not be using this one in that just in case. I don't want anybody coming at me saying I'm not supposed to do that, or I'm sure Tim Holtz has some kind of, copyright thing or whatever, but I just wanted to put that out there. I will not be using anything like this in anything I might sell. It would just be for me. So excuse me, I should have probably got a drink before I started doing this. So I got that, and then the next thing I got was masking tape to make washi tape and to make folios. You can use it you can use it for anything. It's masking tape, but you can I saw a lady use it to make a folio. She was joining the two pieces of cardboard, chipboard, whatever, together to make a folio. So I wanted to use it for that. And this one here I got before was too thin. So I got these two. And this one was 6 something just for this. And then they had the 1-inch one. And I think I mentioned this in another video too, so I apologize for that. But they had a 1-inch one that was $7.99 or 7 something. These two were $7.99. So I got that. And then the next thing I got was these. I was mentioning in my postcard video that I wanted some more of these. So I got some. There's 5 different sizes. It just goes from big to small. And I just needed some more blending brushes. So I got those. And they actually come with these little stickers too that you can put on them so you can know which color you used on it. But unfortunately, I don't have any of these colors. I only have brown and gray. So I won't be using those. I might have to make my own little dots or get my own little dots to put on them and then just use the blending brush or something to determine what color it was. Or something like that. We'll see. I don't know. And then I got these. I got really excited and opened it already. I actually already put glue in it. And they're so cute. I can't believe how small they are. So I'm going to make a little dangle for it too. I see people doing that. So first I got this. I'll show you this first. I've been hearing about this on YouTube forever, and I had it in my cart, but I had the little kit. The whole little, they give you the bottles like this too, and the little pins and everything, or the like the little precision pin. It was $22, so I just kept it in my cart. And then somebody said in a video to just get the bottle like this and then just buy little ones. They have these at like something like this at Hobby Lobby for like $1.79, but I couldn't find them, so I just ordered these ones from Amazon. These ones were $4.99, but that's okay. But yeah, so I got that, and I actually already did try it, and it's awesome. I love it. But yeah, I got that, so let me get this one out of here before it leaks on me. But yeah, I opened it already, so I got so excited. Because I got the glue the day before, and then I got this yesterday. So I didn't even open the glue because I was like, what's the point? I don't have anything to put it in. Crazy the things that crafters get excited about glue. And then this one was the one that I got really excited about too. And the reason I decided to do this video was these. These are specimen card dies, and I got so excited, and plus I just wanted to share with you. These are, like I said, everything's from Amazon, and of course I'll have everything linked below. Yeah, this one is big. I didn't realize how big it was, even though it says on Amazon. But it seems like a lot of us in the crafting world don't look at that stuff, do we? And I know I don't until I get it, and I'm like, whoa, that's big, or whoa, that's too small, or that's smaller than I thought it was, or it's bigger than I thought it was. But yeah, this one is big, which is cool. I mean, I still can use it. I mean, it would be cool to make little cards and stuff for your junk journals, and you can make really big specimen cards, but it'd be cute for junk journals, I thought. But yeah, it's awesome. And then, so this one is 4 1/8 by 4 1/8, and then this one is 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. But I just think they're awesome, and they're from KSCRAFT on Amazon. Like I said, I'll have everything linked below, and they're very affordable. This one was 7 something, and this one's 6 something, so that's why I got both. But I want to make some specimen cards. Wanted to get some more, and I have another one. Oh, it's over there. I have another one that came in a little set that I think I showed in another video, and it's cute, but it's small. So like some of the stickers that I made for these are actually too big for that, so I figured, and I know I could make my own, specimen dies. It's just like a, square with a square cut out in the middle, but I just wanted these, so I was really excited. So that's that. Yeah, so there's KSCRAFT. And she actually has a YouTube channel too, and I was really excited about that. And I think that's it. It was only a couple things. Like I said, a very short, small haul, but I wanted to share that stuff with you. And I want to make some dangles for these too, so I actually picked these up at Target real quick. I just wanted a couple. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but this is the only thing I could find that had the little earring backs. I did go to Michael's, but I didn't get anything, and I did see a big bag of them, but I was like, unless I'm going to be making dangles all the time, I don't really need that many, so I figured I'd just get this, and I could just make a couple for these, and if I wanted. So there's that, and I think that's it. I think that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. And like I said, I'll have everything linked below for you. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel. And I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm so grateful for you. I've gained like 30 new subscribers in the last week, I think. So thank you so much for that. I think that's the fastest my channel's grown in a short time. But I'm glad you guys are enjoying my videos, and let me know what you guys want to see from me. I'm always looking for ideas and stuff. I have tons of ideas, but I want to hear what you guys want, because I'm doing this for you. So let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.